I think from the first to the last minute, we were not at the level requested for such a game, and nor physically, nor technically, nor mentally, we were at the level, and were punished. And that's basically it. After you can, of course, analyze the chances we gave away, but just think overall the performance was not at the requested level.
Why?
That's a question that is very difficult to answer straight away after the game, and there are some reasons, but I don't think I have too much to come out on that now. I believe in our two first games we were quite good. Our performances were good, but today the performance was not acceptable at that level. It's true that today we were an easy opponent for Liverpool.